Hi guys, myself Deepika Saingar. I am working as a senior HR manager of this organizations. Now I would like to take the opportunity to introduce a company White Force. We are one of the trusted partner. We are 100 crore company working at Pan India and dealing in human resources solutions. Currently we are working 500 active company all over India. We provide specific services like temp staffing, recruitment solutions, payroll process, facility management and IT projects. Thank you.
I, Juhi Agrawal, a talent acquisition manager working in a White Force group. I take care of on-roll recruitment. On-roll recruitment means placing a candidate directly on the payroll of the client or the company. We bridge the gap between the deserving candidate and the company. We take an initiative to discuss the prospect of the candidate with the hiring manager and further take the recruitment process till the time the candidate is placed for the desired role. If you want to be placed in your desired company, kindly reach out to us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Joseph, working as a business development head at White Force Group. White Force provides you customized and hassle-free temporary staffing solutions for companies who are looking to hire contractual manpower or bulk hiring support at Pan India. We also provide you contractual hiring and bulk hiring for startups as well. We have a vast network of local recruiters at Pan India who help us in this hiring support. We also have an extensive pool of data as we have more than 2 lakh CVs uploaded on our own network portal, that is Happiest Resume, which we use for this hiring support. We can provide you all type of blue and grey collar manpower with complete compliance support. We are not just a normal consultant, we are a AI technology based company. If you want to enjoy the flexibility of building your team, or you are a startup and facing issues in hiring, White Force temporary staffing solution is the best solution for you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Millie, working as a manager IT sales in the White Force Group. We are one of the most experienced and well-recognized leading company in the modern IT sector. We at White Force have a team of experienced, enthusiastic, young and talented professionals who can help us with every technical problems. We are experts in web development, app development, digital marketing and many more. We are serving to many national as well as international clients to their utmost satisfaction. That is why we are one of the leading IT sector service provider companies.
Hi, I am Shruti Kaushik, working as Compliance Manager at White Force Group. Compliance management is a process by which a manager plan, organize, control and lead activities to ensure compliance with laws and standards. Activities like internal audit, third-party audit, security and procedure control, preparing report and providing documentation, PF and ESI submission, tax computation and deduction, handling legal query. White Force is an expert and provide these services. Thank you.
Hi, myself Diksha Thakur. I am working as an off-road client relationship manager at White Force Group. Off-road recruitment is that type of recruitment where employee working in a company but they get their salary from the vendor or third-party company. It means employee not on the payroll of the company where he is working. The employee get none of the benefits such as DA and bonus unless the consultant company provides it. We are one of the leading off-road recruitment and having 10 plus years of experience in this field. We always identify the needs of the company and provides them with productive human resources at the cost of which pockets of the companies allow. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shruti Tiwari. I work as a Senior Manager Operations and Payroll at White Force Group. Payroll department consists of the entire life cycle of an employee, wherein we cover them at the time of recruitment, giving their offer letter, capturing their attendance, giving them their salaries, and apart from that, processing their exit formalities. Exit formalities consist of the relieving letter and the experience certificates. The entire payroll department is governed by a software. The software is our own in-house software, wherein all the data of an employee has been captured and can be presented at one click. Hence, the payroll department is the backbone of an organization. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Harshita Sharma, working as a facility manager at White Force Group. So I'll be telling you about our wonderful service, that is facility management. White Force is India's leading, professionally dedicated and supremely motivated facility management service provider across several sectors and environments, serving thousands of clients to their utmost satisfaction. We provide 4 main types of services, mainly manpower supply, housekeeping services, security services and sanitization services. Now the question is, why choose us? We have versatile experience of 15 years in facility management along with highly knowledgeable technical trained staff and labor force. Thank you.
Please visit our website www.whiteforce.in